glass reflections. On December 6, 2025, around 8:30 in the morning, a passenger waiting for their flight at Salt Lake City International Airport noticed something unusual outside the terminal windows. They had been casually filming aircraft movements when small points of light began appearing in the cloudy sky. At first, nothing seemed out of the ordinary. Airports are full of reflections, glare, and distant aircraft lights, especially on overcast mornings. But these lights didn't behave like planes on approach or reflections moving with the camera. According to the witness, the lights appeared in a loose vertical pattern, fading in and out against the clouds. They remained in roughly the same position, not drifting with the wind or changing location as aircraft normally would. What caught their attention was how stationary the lights were. They did not move laterally, climb, or descend in a way that matched known flight paths. The witness initially assumed the lights might be reflections on the glass. However, after looking closer, they noticed visible smudges and marks on the window that stayed fixed while the lights appeared far beyond them. The distance and depth didn't line up with a simple reflection. Other planes continued moving normally in the background, making the lights stand out even more by contrast. Over several moments, the lights slowly disappeared, one after another, without any obvious cause. There is no confirmed explanation for what was seen. Possibilities include distant aircraft lights diffused by layered cloud cover, atmospheric reflections, or optical effects caused by specific lighting conditions. Still, the stationary nature of the lights and their repeated appearance and disappearance leave room for questions. Were these lights part of a rare atmospheric effect, or something related to airport operations that simply isn't visible to passengers? And if it was just a reflection, why didn't it behave like one? Orb-shaped objects. On November 8, 2025, at approximately 11:01 a.m., a witness reported observing a group of bright orb-shaped objects while flying at around 40,000 feet over the North Atlantic. The objects were seen above the cloud layer during daylight conditions. According to the witness, the sighting lasted long enough, showing the objects clearly separated from the clouds below. At the time, there were no obvious visual indicators suggesting they were standard aircraft. The footage shows several luminous spheres maintaining a loose but consistent formation. The objects appear evenly spaced and remain at a steady altitude relative to one another. No wings, fuselage outlines, contrails, or exhaust trails are visible. Their brightness remains relatively constant, without blinking patterns typically associated with commercial aircraft lights. The witness noted that the objects seemed to move together in a coordinated manner, adjusting positions slightly while keeping formation. Their motion appeared smooth and controlled rather than drifting randomly. Publicly available flight tracking data has not identified any commercial or known military aircraft operating in that immediate area at the same altitude and time, though this does not rule out classified or untracked activity. Several explanations have been suggested, including distant aircraft reflecting sunlight, high-altitude balloons, or optical effects caused by atmospheric conditions above the cloud layer. Others have pointed out that the consistent spacing and formation raise questions about whether these were independent objects or a single phenomenon appearing as multiple lights. At this time, there has been no official statement linking the sighting to a specific aircraft, test, or natural phenomenon. The footage remains under review, and without additional data such as radar confirmation or multiple independent witnesses, The exact nature of the objects remains uncertain. Flashlights. Early on New Year's Day at around 7:10 a.m., a driver traveling along Whitmore Lane in Taunton, Somerset noticed unusual lights in the sky. The sighting happened during the early morning hours, with low light and cloud cover still present. The driver decided to record what they were seeing while continuing along the road. At first, the lights appeared faint and distant, positioned above the horizon rather than close to the ground. There was no obvious sound, and nothing else in the area seemed disturbed or affected at the time. As the footage continues, the lights can be seen rotating in place. According to the witness, the movement was clearly visible to the naked eye. The lights appeared to spin clockwise for a short period, then reverse direction and rotate anti-clockwise. This back and forth rotation continued while coming close to each other and then drifting apart at the same time. The lights did not appear to travel across the sky in a straight line like aircraft lights typically do. Instead, they seemed to remain roughly in the same area while rotating. There were no visible flashing navigation patterns commonly associated with planes or helicopters, and no engine noise was reported. The witness did not report seeing multiple aircraft nearby at the time, and there was no immediate explanation visible from the road. Some viewers have suggested the lights could be distant aircraft, drones, or reflections affected by atmospheric conditions. Others point out that the change in rotation direction is unusual and not something commonly observed with standard aircraft lighting. At the moment, there is no official explanation tied to this sighting. Without additional footage or reports from others in the area, it remains unclear what caused the rotating lights over Taunton that morning. Were they something ordinary viewed under unusual conditions, or was it something less familiar? Hovering cylinder. A video recorded on August 9, 2025, shows an unusual object in the sky above Jardim de Paranhas, in the state of Rio Grande do Norte, Brazil. The footage began circulating online after residents noticed a small cylindrical-shaped object visible against a clear blue sky. According to the person filming, the object caught attention because it did not behave like an aircraft, bird, or balloon typically seen in the area.
Rapaz, eu tô achando que aquela guerra lá da Rússia tá vindo pra cá. Olha o tamanho de míssil que vem voando aqui em cima de Arim. Ali. É um míssil, tá vindo lá da Ucrânia lá com a Rússia. Eita porra. Agora a guerra vem, vê o tamanho do míssil.
The object appears elongated and uniform in shape, resembling a short cylinder. Throughout the video, it remains in the same general position in the sky, showing no clear horizontal or vertical movement. There are no visible wings, rotors, exhaust trails, or sudden changes in altitude. What stands out most is that the object seems steady while slowly rotating along its axis. The rotation is gradual and consistent, rather than erratic. The lighting on the object shifts slightly as it turns, suggesting it is reflecting sunlight from different angles rather than actively changing brightness. The steady position of the object makes explanations like fast-moving aircraft less likely, while the slow rotation raises questions about whether it could be a balloon, suspended object, or something influenced by wind patterns at altitude. No sound was reported by the witness. Some viewers suggest the object could be a type of balloon or airborne device rotating due to air currents, while others point out that it does not drift the way most balloons do. Its stable position and slow, controlled-looking rotation leave room for debate. Without additional footage, radar data, or official statements, the object remains unidentified. The video does not provide enough information for a clear conclusion, but it continues to prompt discussion about what exactly was hovering and rotating over Jardin de Pyrenhas that day. Just before I move to the next point, if you are new here and enjoy mysterious, unexplained UFO sightings, then do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video. Instantaneous acceleration. A brief clip that recently surfaced online is sparking attention after showing what appears to be a black, triangular object in the sky above China. According to eyewitnesses, the incident took place in the early morning hours and was captured from multiple angles by people who happened to be recording the sky. The object was seen in a stationary position before it suddenly changed posture and began descending at a dramatic angle.
太科幻了，像 UFO 一样。看清楚了，我这太自豪了，这什么外星科技啊！
In the footage, the unidentified object stands out against the pale sky, shaped like a flattened triangle. For a few seconds, it seems to hover or glide smoothly before unexpectedly tipping and diving downward. The motion is fast and fluid, far quicker than what might be expected from typical commercial aircraft. It doesn't resemble a bird or balloon, and its shape remains consistent throughout the descent. The video does not show the object reaching the ground. It either disappears from the frame or drops below the horizon line. No sound is picked up from the object itself. The only audio is from the individuals filming it, reacting with curiosity and surprise. Several onlookers can be heard questioning whether what they were seeing was military activity, a drone, or something else entirely. One user online compared the object to earlier stealth aircraft designs, but noted the lack of jet noise or visible propulsion trails. At one point, the object tilts as if adjusting its angle deliberately before continuing its fast descent. The most immediate question is whether this was a known military aircraft, such as an advanced drone or test craft. Some online users have speculated that the shape is consistent with delta wing designs used in stealth aviation. However, others pointed out the object's behavior, specifically the way it dove so rapidly without accelerating first, seemed unnatural. There were no official announcements or airspace restrictions posted in the area at the time. Given that the sighting occurred around the same time as separate reports of F-47 aircraft in another part of the world, some are wondering whether these events are connected or simply coincidental. As of now, there is no official confirmation or explanation from authorities in China. Whether this was experimental technology, an illusion caused by atmospheric distortion, or something more unusual remains unknown. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to watch new videos.